Dear students, today we will discuss lightweight concrete. Concrete made with natural aggregate originating from hard rock has a density within a narrow range because the specific gravity of most rocks varies little. Although the volumetric content of the aggregate in the mix affects the density of the concrete. This too is not a major factor. Thus, in practice, the density of normal weight concrete lies within the range of 2200 to 2600 kg per meter cube. Consequently, the self weight of concrete elements is high and can represent a large proportion of the load on a structure. Using concrete with a lower density can therefore result in significant benefits in terms of load bearing elements of smaller cross section and a corresponding reduction in the size of foundations. Occasionally, the use of concrete with a lower density permits construction on ground with a low load bearing capacity. Furthermore, with lighter concrete, the formwork need withstand a lower pressure than would be the case with normal weight concrete. And also, the total mass of materials to be handled is reduced, with a consequent increase in productivity. Concrete, which has a lower density, also gives better thermal insulation than ordinary concrete. On the other hand, lightweight concrete has a higher cement content than normal weight concrete. This represents additional cost, and so does the more expensive lightweight aggregate. A meaningful comparison of cost, however, cannot be limited to the cost of materials, but should be made on the basis of the design of the structure using lightweight concrete. In most respects, concrete which has a low density behaves like normal weight concrete. However, there are certain features of concrete which are linked to the lower density. The classification of lightweight concretes. The density of concrete can be reduced by replacing some of the solid material in the mix by air voids. There are three possible locations of the air in the aggregate particles, which are known as lightweight aggregate. In the cement paste, the resulting concrete being known as cellular concrete, and between the coarse aggregate particles, the fine aggregate being omitted. Concrete made in the last named manner is known as no fines concrete. Concrete made with lightweight aggregate is known as lightweight aggregate concrete and is a particular category of lightweight concrete. The practical range of densities of lightweight concrete is between about 300 and 1850 kg per meter cube. Classification on the basis of density is sensible because density and strength are largely concomitant, and ACI 213R87 uses density to categorize concrete according to its application. There are three categories. Structural lightweight concrete has a density between 1350 and 1900 kg per meter cube. As its name implies, this concrete is used for structural purposes and has a minimum compressive strength of 17 MPa. Low density concrete has a density between 300 and 800 kg per meter cube. This concrete is used for non-structural purposes, mainly for thermal insulation purposes. In between these two categories lies moderate strength concrete. Its compressive strength measured on standard cylinders is between 7 and 17 MPa, and the thermal insulation characteristics are in between those of low density concrete and structural lightweight concrete. The lightweight aggregate. The essential characteristics of lightweight aggregate is its high porosity, which results in a low apparent specific gravity. Some lightweight aggregates occur naturally, others are manufactured from natural materials or from industrial byproducts. Thank you.